Today we will learn the use of different types of HTML list elements. There are mainly three types of list elements in HTML. First one is definition list, second one is bordered list, and unbordered list. Creating descriptive type list, we will use definition list. To create number list or numeric list, we will use border. To create bullet type list, we will use unbordered list. Okay, we will start from definition list. Our first example is about definition list. Definition list start with DL tag, and a DL tag contains two types of child tag, DT definition term and DD definition description. In this definition list, there are three pairs of DT and DD. When we run this script, the output will be look like this. This is DT or definition term, and this is DD or definition description. This alignment is set by default, and in the next example we will see the another use of our nested definition list. This is the parent definition list, and this is the child definition list. So when we declare a definition list inside another definition list, then this is called nested definition list. This definition list have the following child: DT1, DT2, DT3, and in the third DT another definition list is declared, and every DT has a DD element. In the second DT there are two DD elements. It can vary according to the requirement. Now I will run this script. Here we can see the output. This is DT definition term, and this is DD or definition description. In the next DT there was two DD, and this is the child definition list. Next example is to create multiple DTs with single definition list. It is not mandatory to declare DD with every DT. Here you can see this is the definition list, and this DT has no DD. In the second DT there is one DD element, and third DT and fourth DT there is no DD. So it is not necessary to declare DD with every DT. So output will be vary according to the declaration. So there was only one DD with the second DT, and other DT have no DD. Next example, and this example is about single DT with multiple DT. This means a DL list can contain a single DT and multiple DD. So the output will be director, and under director this three definition description will be shown. So here is our output. This is DT and these are DD. Next, our definition list is completed. Here we have seen there are various use of definition list. Our next topic is to worded list and unworded list. Okay, this example contains both worded list and unworded list. Worded list start with OL tag, and every worded or unworded list contains child element li. This is list item. Unworded list means in worded list, lists are created by numeric data. In unworded list, lists are created by bullet. This example shows the default worded list and unworded list. So here we can see in worded list by default list use 1, 2, 3, and in unworded list by default bullet use this black bullet. In the next few examples we will see various use of worded list, and this example is about creating nested worded list. That means a worded list under another worded list. So this is our parent worded list, and this one and this one are our child worded list. This parent worded list contains 3 child li, this one, and this one. And second li contains another worded list, and third li contains another worded list. So the view of this script will be look like this. First li, second li, and third li. Next, this example is about using value attribute. Using value attribute, you can change the order of any worded list. By default, we know order are created by 1, 2, 3. So if you want to set the order by another data, suppose this OL contains 5 list items, so order will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in the fourth li, value attribute is used and value is set to 8. Then the output will be 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. I am going to run it. So here is your output 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay, I am changing the value of the value attribute. Suppose 10. Save. Here you can see our output is changed 1, 2, 3, 10, 11. Next example is changing the default order of any ordered list using CSS code. Here is simple CSS code embedded here. The task of this code is to change the in this style sheet code is used to create li using upper alpha list. That means capital A, capital B, capital C. So this ordered list will be displays A, B and C. Capital A, B and C. A, B and C. If you want to change it in lower alpha or small letter, you have to write lower alpha. Save the document and run again. Our listing is changed: a, small b, small c. Next example is how start attribute can be used in worded list. Normally we know in worded list order are start from 1, 2, 3. If we want to change the default order, we can use start attribute. Here start attribute is set to 4. That means order list will be start from 4. Here you can see the values are displayed in Roman style because this style sheet is set to display in upper Roman. If I change the start attribute value to 6, then the output will be 6, 7, 8 using Roman number. 6, 7, 8. Next, if you want to display the content in descending order, then you have to use reverse equal to reverse attribute, and start attribute is to set the starting of the list. That's it. Okay, if I run this, then the output will be look like this: 10, 9 and 8. If I change the order to 20 and save, then the output will be 20, 19 and 18. Next example is about unworded list. We know by default unworded list use black bullet to display the list item. This is the default listing of unworded list. If you want to change this default bulleting system, you can change by using CSS. This example is about converting a unworded list into a worded list by using CSS. In the CSS code, UL list style is set to decimal. That means every unworded list which are declared in the body will be converted into a worded list by 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, not a bullet. So I think now it is clear to everyone how we can use different type of list element in HTML.